In this session, we will study about computer network. Computer network is a collection of n number of a computer which can exchange information. Means if exchange of information is happening, then there is a network, and if exchange of information is not happening, then there is no network. The first computer network was ARPANET, and the first commercial computer network was NSF-NET. If we will study about the overall layout of a computer network, means computer architecture, network architecture, then computer network has a client-server architecture. It has two main components, client and server. Client is that machine which gives the request, and server is that machine which processes the request, means which gives the response. Now, in a small network, the server is visible to us. For example, in the case of a small office, we know which machine is the server machine. But in case of large network, the server is not visible to us. For example, in the case of bank ATM, when we are doing the bank transaction through ATM, we are not able to understand which bank server is going to give us a service. In that case, the computer network is termed as distributed network because the task of server is distributed among multiple computers. Nowadays the computer network is penetrated in our day-to-day life because it has lots of advantages. The first advantage is the resource sharing. Through resource sharing, the overall cost gets minimized. So we always prefer computer network. For example, if a company wants to sell the product among the different geographical area, then the company has no need to open a separate outlet in different geographical location. They just host one website and they can serve the customer in different geographical location. The second is the enhanced communication. For example, WhatsApp, Zoom, Skype, all these are possible only due to the computer network. Now, as computer network has lots of advantages, it has some associated disadvantages also. The first disadvantage is the initial installation cost. For example, if we want to use the internet facility in our home, then we have to purchase Wi-Fi router, and that will incur some cost, and this is the initial installation cost. And the second is the security threat. As the computer network use the public medium PSTN for its communication, so there is a chances of fraudulent hacking, cracking. So this is the concern of computer network, and this is the associated disadvantage of computer network. Now, if we study about the component of computer network, then it has two components, hardware component and software component. In hardware component, the computer network has host, server, client, network hardware and communication channel. The first is the host. Any machine which is directly or indirectly connected to a computer network. For example, if we are using the internet service through our personal computer or through our phone, that is the host of a computer network. Second is the server. Server is a machine which gives the response to our request. Next is the client. Client is that machine in a computer network which gives the request. And other than server and a client, there are lots of other hosts of a computer network which provide the overall infrastructure, which gives the overall infrastructure of the computer network. For example, is the NIC. NIC means Network Interface Card. If we want to communicate in the network, then we should have one unique identity, and Network Interface Card gives us unique identity in the form of MAC address. This is the unique address of 48-bit which is provided to each machine which to participate in a computer network. Now, next is the hub. Hub is a multi-port device which can connect multiple computers. It's a network connector. Now, nowadays, switch and route, lots of advanced machine is evolved. So, hub is an obsolete technology. It is get replaced by switch and router. Now, switch itself is a network connector which has multiple port. We can connect multiple host through switch, but it has switching facility also. Now, next is the router. Router itself is a network connector. It is the host of a computer network which can connect any number of a computer, and it has a capability to calculate the best path. That's why it is known as router. Next is the gateway. Gateway itself is a network connector. It is a host in a computer network which connect n number of a component of a computer network, plus it gives security facility also. It has a capability of packet filtering and lots of devices like firewall, proxy server. These all can be installed on the gateway. Next component of computer network is the communication channel. We can do communication on network using the wired medium or wireless medium. Wired medium is also known as the guided medium because it uses the physical cable, and the physical cable which is used in the computer network are the twisted pair, coaxial cable and fiber optic cable. The second communication channel is the wireless communication channel. It is also known as unguided communication channel because it do not use any physical medium. Basically, wireless communication is possible using the radio wave in case of Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Second, using the microwave, that is possible through the satellite, and infrared and laser. Infrared and laser has its limited use in the computer network.